Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm in a sweater today, which means it's officially sweater weather and fall is in full effect. I saw leaves falling from trees this morning. I was in denial. I don't want fall or cold weather to come around, but once I saw the leaves start falling down, I was like, you know what? I need to come to terms with the season change. I wanted to create something that was really intense and vampy and cranberry and perfect for fall. So this is the look that I came up with. I love these kind of monochromatic looks where all the colors of the eyes and lips kind of tie in together. So I hope that you guys enjoy this look as well. And if you want to stick around to see how I created it, then just keep on watching. I'm going into the Balm Cosmetics Opposites Attract eyeshadow palette. The first shadow I'm picking up is this Dusty Rose. I'm going in with my Sigma E38 diffused crease brush and I'm running this shadow through my crease as my transition shade. It's going to help make the other shadow that I'm going to apply through my crease a little bit more blendable. I'm now going into this burgundy shadow, and then I'm picking up this shadow just on one side of the brush, and I'm going to start tapping this onto my lid, going halfway, stopping it right there, and then start bringing that up into that crease area. And I'm kind of blending it into the crease again, just halfway, just maybe a little, like a hair past that halfway point. And then you can also put the brush on its side and start blending that through the crease to create kind of like a cat eye shape. And then picking up more of that same shadow and doing those exact same steps, first packing that onto the lid. And then I'm going to start bringing that through the crease. It's better to kind of start in little steps by applying a smaller amount of shadow through your crease and on your lid, and then just building your way up. And then lightly with the tip of the brush, I'm going to start blending the edges out. And then to blend out the shadow even more, I'm picking up that Dusty Rose shadow that I applied as my transition, and I'm going to start really concentrating on buffing this shadow out. I'm now picking up this light pink, and now to really brighten up this inner half of my lid, I'm packing on this light pink shadow with my Sigma E54 medium sweeper brush. And then when it gets to this part right here, if you just tap right over and kind of like back and forth, it's going to help blend that shadow out. For my lower lash line, I'm basically doing the same thing that I did up top right here. So first going in with that Dusty Rose all along my lower lash line with my Sigma E54 medium sweeper brush. And then with that burgundy shadow just on this outer half of my lower lash line, kind of want to elongate my eyes and not have it too smoky down here, just out here on this outer half. And then lastly, just pack on that light pink all on this inner half and inner corner. That's just going to help brighten up and really open up the eyes right here. I'm going into the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Pencil in 0. Because I'm not applying any liner, I want to define and darken my lashes with this pencil first. I'm now going into the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Pencil in Alkaline. And then now I'm just going to apply this on my lower waterline, just on this outer half, right where we applied that shadow. I'm now going to apply some mascara and false lashes, and today I'm going to these Salon Perfect Extension Seeker Lashes in 661. And that's the eye look done. So obviously for my lips, I want to do something very fall, and when I think of fall, I think of a really like rich, dark, vampy lip. So that is what I'm going to do. So I'm going to try out this new liquid lipstick from Sigma, and this is in the shade Belladonna. The packaging of these new liquid lipsticks are stunning. Looking all bougie and fancy. So this is what I'm going to apply. And that is it. This is a completed look of my Cranberry Smokey cat eye paired with a vampy lip. I hope you guys enjoyed. I love these monochromatic looks. I love how everything kind of ties in together. I really want to do brown because I don't think I've ever, maybe once I've tried a brown lip, but I really want to try a brown lip with like a nice kind of brown golden eye. So let me know if you guys would want to see that, and let me know what other color combinations you want to see for fall. Leave them down in the comments. So don't forget to follow me on Instagram and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to hit that bell button to get notified whenever I upload. And all the products that I used today, along with my brush set with Sigma, will be listed down below for you guys to find everything easier, and I think that should be it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!